Maybe you are selling your MacBook Air M2 or facing some issues and you want to hard or factory reset it. Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to put your Mac again to factory settings, erase all data completely, and send it to setup mode again. If your Mac is running on macOS Ventura or Sonoma with Apple Silicon M1 or M2 chip, you can hard reset your Mac by following this process. Now, since it'll delete everything, before that, go ahead, make a backup of all your data using Time Machine. Now, you can either do it now or during the reset process when you will be prompted for the backup. But we are doing it now just to be safe. Now, after that, for the reset process, first, from System Settings or Preference, go to General. From there, straight to Transfer or Reset. Now, as I was saying about backup, you can open Migration Assistant and can back up your Mac from here as well. Otherwise, just go ahead and click on Erase All Content and Settings. Put down your Mac's admin password and then select Unlock to confirm. Now, as I've shown you that we are backed up with Time Machine, we're having this option to continue. If you haven't, you'll also have an option to back it up from Time Machine as well. We're pressing Continue from here. Now, just in case if you have multiple users set up on your Mac, be sure that it will erase all data from every user as well. If you're okay with it, after that, just press Continue. Put down your Apple ID password and go ahead. And next, click on Erase All Content and Settings. The hard reset process is now in progress. Wait patiently for a bit for the Mac to restart again. When you see this screen, that means the factory reset is now complete. You can now go ahead, sell it, give it away, or you can just set Wi-Fi and put it into setup mode. When you see hello in different language, just go ahead and set up your Mac again. So that's how you can hard or factory reset your MacBook Air M2. Please let us know if you faced any problem during the reset process so we can help you or suggest a solution to that as well. Thank you for watching.